Hello student. Good morning everyone. I am your English teacher with chapter number 1 of your grammar book. And the topic of the chapter is parts of speech. Is it very clearly visible to you all? The topic of the chapter is parts of speech. Chapter number 1 parts of speech. Now we will read in this parts of speech student. I just want to make you explain it. Just listen it very clearly. And if you have any doubt, please comment it in the comment section of our channel. A sentence is a group of words. Each of these words plays a different role in the sentence. Some of these words represent people or place, while some others signifies the action that is taking place. Some words describe qualities of the other words, while some other are used to link the different words together. These different words are put under different categories. Now listen, this, that means all the 8 words you are seeing here. Noun, pronoun, verb, adjective, adverb, articles, preposition, conjunction and interjection. These different words are put under different categories. Now the words that are visible here. Now you can see it: noun, pronoun, verb, adjective, adverbs, articles, prepositions, conjunctions, interjections. Now student, these different words are put under different categories. These categories of words which perform their own functions are called parts of speech. Now again I am repeating this sentence. Please listen carefully. Now see how many words are arranged here. Here are 8 words arranged. This is a set of 8 words called parts of speech. But all the words have their different functions. They are divided under different categories. Now these different words are put under different categories. These categories of words which perform their own functions are called parts of speech. That means here it is proper definition. I just want to show you something which I have written in the copy to make you explain it in detail. To explain you these things in detail, I have written it in the copy. Now you can see here. Is it visible, student? Is it visible? Now see. There are 8 parts of speech. How many parts of speech are there? There are 8 parts of speech. Now, is it clearly visible to you all, student? Now see, there are 8 parts of speech. First one is noun. What is noun? Noun is a naming word or it is a naming word. Example, Ram, Shyam. It is written here. Now see, what is a noun? It is a naming word. Example, Ram and Shyam, Geeta, Sita, Babita. Anything as your wish you can write here. After that comes pronoun. What is pronoun? It is a substitute for a noun, or the word which we use in place of noun are called pronouns. Example, I, you, he, she, it, this, those, these all are the words which comes under pronoun category. Now see point number 3, adjective. It qualifies a noun or a pronoun. Qualifies matlab it modifies. It qualifies or modify a noun or a pronoun. Example, brave, intelligent, tall, short. The boy is very intelligent. That man is very tall. It is a short paragraph. Now, it means the adjective always qualifies a noun or a pronoun. Now see point number 4. Adverb. Sorry, it is verb. It is a doing word or we can say it is an action word. The work which is shown to be done is known as a doing word. Point number 5. Adverb. It is a modifying word. Adverb is a modifying word which shows our behavior, which shows our activity or which can refine our activity. It known as modifying word. Quickly, slowly, fastly, speedily, hurriedly, these all words comes under adverbs. It comes under the category of adverb. Now see preposition. It denotes the preposition of a noun or a pronoun in a relation to something else. Example, on, in, behind, in front, beside. These all words comes under preposition category. Preposition, it denotes the position of a noun or a pronoun in relation to something else. In, on, the box is on the table, the cat is under the table, the man is behind the temple, the house is in front of the building. These types of the words that we use in a sentence comes under preposition category. Now point number 7, conjunction. Now think for a while. Conjunction. Conjunction means to attach something, to attach it, to join it, or to link it. So it is known as linking word. What is conjunction? It is a linking word. Something को जोड़ना, attach कर देना. So what is a conjunction? It is a linking words. For example, and, but, so, because. I was not there because I was late. I and my brother went to temple yesterday. These types of sentence, that the word which joins one sentence with the other, or part of one sentence with the another part of the sentence, comes under the conjunction category. Now see interjection. Wow, hooray, alas. What do you think when you pronunciate these types of things, student? It expresses sudden feeling or emotion. It cannot be seen or touched. We cannot touch it or we cannot see it physically, but we can only feel it. It expresses sudden feelings or emotions of the speaker. Hooray, we won the match. That means it is my feeling. It is my happiness that I won the match. It's my feeling. Now, wow, that is the pretty, she is a pretty girl. If I write wow, she is a pretty girl. Now it's my emotion. Only I can feel she is very beautiful. It's my inner emotion. Number 2, what is the parts of speech? Again, I am repeating. A sentence is a group of words. Each of these words play a different role in different sentence. Some of these words present people, place, while others signify the action that is taking place. Some words describe qualities or other, while some others are used to link the different words together. Now, these different words are put under different categories. These categories of words which perform their own functions are called parts of speech. So how many parts of speech are there, students? There are 8 parts of speech. What are they? Noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction, interjection. Again I am repeating it. There are 8 parts of speech. As you can see it in the book also, it is written here very clearly. See. Is it visible to you all, student? Now see, noun. Definition: people, place, thing, animals. Examples are given here and the sentences are also formed there to make you explain it or to make you understand it. Pronoun: replace the noun. Verb: shows action or being. Adjective: describes noun. Adverbs: describe words, adjectives or other adverbs. Articles: signals that a noun is going to follow. Prepositions show the relation between word in a sentence. Conjunction connects word, phrase, clause or sentence. Interjection: exclamation that express strong feelings. Aha, goosh, great, hooray, oh, oops, phew, oh, ill, well. Understood, student? Now here, it is in the book, it is written here articles. It is written here articles. But as I have explained you in the copy, I have not explained you the articles here. I have only explained you the 8 parts of speech. That is noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction and interjection. As I have given you some of the examples also. In my next video, I will give you the works related to this chapter. Till then, subscribe the channel. Press the bell icon so that you will get the latest notification related to your chapter. And stay at home, stay well, take care, bye bye.